besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, hello and welcome to my community. My name is Roberta Cangelo and I post all things beauty, lifestyle and modeling sometimes. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Please subscribe down below and join my community, which I call the Queendom. So guys, I can't believe it's already February and I haven't posted a video since January. So today I was on my phone and I saw a notification. One of my favorite YouTubers just posted and I was like, girl, you are slacking. You need to post content. So yeah, that's what led to this video. So yeah, today's a Friday. Happy Friday. And I'm currently at work. This is what I've been up to since I don't know, since January, since we opened work, because the time that I posted my December vlog, I was on holiday, but since I opened, I've been doing nothing but work and not forgetting spending time with my loved ones, my family and friends, because that's what's mostly important. One of my goals this year was to spend more time with my family and my friends. So that's what I do during weekends. If I'm not working, then I'm probably spending time with my loved ones, because one thing that I've learned is life is too short. So tell them you love them, spend more time with them, because tomorrow is not promised. So yeah, pretty much that's that. Anyways, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna be up to this weekend, but I figured I could just update you guys a little bit. So today I'm at work, it's a Friday, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of work and I'm gonna update you guys on what I'm gonna do next. But a reminder, if you're watching this and you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget, the goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. And you guys are going to help me do that because you are going to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that every time when I post new content, you don't miss out. Anyways, let me now get to work. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No.
So guys, I went in Pep. I wanted to go get my wipes. So I wanted to get the big one, but I found the small ones. So I have no choice. I had no choice but to get these ones because I'm completely out. I use these ones, the big ones, but as you can see, they are done, and I didn't find them in the Pep that's close to my office. So I got these ones. I prefer these ones, but for now, I guess I'll just use these ones. And these are the wipes that I like using. Like, if you know me, you know that I like using these baby wipes. I don't use any other wipes. And I do not put on makeup really, like foundation and powder. So I don't really need makeup wipes like that. These ones, they do for me because I can use them for anything else. So yeah. When I say that I don't do makeup, I don't do it myself. When you see me in makeup, which is usually when I'm going to an event or something, it's usually someone doing my makeup, not me. I don't even know how to draw an eyebrow to save my life. So I think maybe I should learn. But I don't think it's really necessary, because if I wanted to learn, I would have way back, because when I was in uni, I had a few friends who were like very good at makeup. And if I wanted to learn, I would have learned that time. But I do not know how to do makeup. As you can see, all I do is lipstick and eyeliner and I'm good to go. So yeah, but I also got this. I got the Cocoa Heaven tissue oil, the Bramley one. I used to use this way back, like a year or 2 years ago, and then I switched to Vaseline. I'm gonna show it on the screen. I use the new Vaseline body oil, and I somehow started missing tissue oil because I feel like the effect is not the same with Vaseline. Like, they're two different body oils and both of them are good. So when I saw this in paper, I was like, let me just get this. And I got the small one because it's not like I'm going to be using this on a daily basis. I'll just be using it here and there. It's a good oil. I highly recommend if you're on a budget, because this was like 3.5. It was 3.5 if not 3.6 in PEP. So if you're on a budget, you can get this because the Vaseline is expensive. Not expensive, but it's pricey than the tissue oil. As in comparing the two, the Vaseline one is much more expensive than this one. So the Vaseline body oil is, I got it for like 35K, I think. Some people are selling it for 30K. I got it for 35K. So yeah, comparing the two, I prefer the Vaseline body oil. It's really good. But I like the one with the brown cover because I wish somebody had told me this when I was getting it at first. I thought all the Vaseline body oils are the same. But there's the one with the blue cover, there's the one with the brown cover, and there's the one with the pink cover. So I like the one with the brown cover because it makes your skin glow. So the second time I got the one with the blue cover, and it was more of a hydrating body oil, and it doesn't make your skin glow the way the brown one does. So for me, like if you want your skin to glow with the body oil, you should get the one with the brown cover. Don't say I did not tell you. But yeah, so this one is just like a plus. I want to be using it on days maybe when it's too cold, because this one, it hydrates, but at the same time it also makes your skin glow. So yeah, I just got this as well. So yeah, this is what I got. Anyways, let me get back to work. See you guys.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe at the job. Unless you come.
Good morning. So I'm currently in town. It's 7:20 in the morning. I have a nail appointment at 8, and this is 7:20 and I'm here. My timekeeping skills need to be questioned because what? Anyways, it's maintenance day, so I want to get my nails and my lashes done and my hair. As you can see, I'm just in corners, but because I want to install a wig later on today, so yeah, let's do it together.
Oh, DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make them feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Ooh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Only got a nigga calling on me. But I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in it. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the room. Wanna get a deep, I serve it like a dealer. Give it up, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no relief. Up every picture, up Polaroid. She a tough, you know what. Lip sweet, feeling like a sirloin. Told the show, but taking shit, she nasty. Have a plan to be a world war.
From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make them feel weaker. But they know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I like to make it jump, jump, jump. They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe at the job. Unless you come in with the commas. Oh, DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make him feel weaker. But to know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up.
Want Dove shower gel, Nivea, CeraVe, whatever, you can come to Callista's shop. So come and get your shower gels. I got the reviving one, which I've been told is good. I've never tried this one before, but yeah, let's see. I'm gonna come with reviews. So I'm done with my hair. I'm going home now, and guys, I'm not doing this because I'm going anywhere. Imagine, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to stay home, sleep on my bed. I just did this because Bella doesn't open on Monday. I mean on Sunday, which is tomorrow. So I wanted to go to work with this hair. So yeah, that's why I had to do my maintenance today. But anyways, let me get home now. Hey loves, so I'm about to go to bed now. I am so tired. It's been a very hectic day. So I just want to rest now because your girl is tired. Anyways, tomorrow is a Sunday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to church because my sister had asked me to escort her somewhere to do something very important. So I have to go there in the morning. We have to go there in the morning. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to church, but yeah, I'll see. But anyways, this is gonna be a weekend vlog, so I'm gonna pause this video tomorrow to rest now because I'm so tired. I left home in the morning around 7 and I came back like around 4, and it was so cold in the afternoon because it was raining. So yeah, but I need to go to bed now, and I guess I'll vlog again tomorrow and then I'll post this video. But yeah, I didn't even finish the series that I was watching. This is a problem with me. When I start a series, I don't finish it because I don't know what's wrong with my attention span. Like it's like I watch for a few minutes and then I get on my phone. I watch for a few minutes and then I get on my phone. But yeah, I'll see when I'm gonna finish it. If tomorrow in the afternoon I'm gonna be home, I'll probably finish it tomorrow. But yeah. Also, I love my lashes. They look so different. I've never been a lash girly, but for some reason, I've just started loving having lashes on. It looks so good. I love being a girl. Anyways, let me go to bed now. Good night from me and mine over there. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I didn't make it to church today because I had to escort my sister to run a few errands. So yeah. We're currently heading to Chugumula. She just wants to go collect a few things. So yeah, I'm going to post this vlog today because it's gonna be a weekend vlog. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to vlog anymore. I don't know. Should I say bye now? Okay, I'm not sure, but let me just say bye for now. Bye.
I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with the commas. Oh, DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make him feel weaker. But to know that my body is a healer.
Hey loves, so we're done with whatever we're doing in Chugumula. We're now heading back home. So before I get home and get comfortable in my bed and completely forget that I was vlogging, I just wanted to say goodbye to you guys. So this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching from the beginning until the end. I know this vlog was short, but I had to post something, consistency is key. Anyways, I'll post another vlog next week probably. But thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you for always supporting me. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join my community. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.